So here I will show you how you can view the document. So I'll show you the list options possible in updates, my tasks and checked out work. So these are the three sections which is available in this dashboard. So if you go to my tasks, basically you have accepted task, closed task, delegated, open, and depending on what you have. Currently it's empty, but if you select appropriate tasks will be shown here, and you can customize this view by selecting whatever you want. Like for example, if I just want say these two, and I can just say customize closing. Yeah, so once you say that, then you will see only whatever is required. So customize, and currently you have all selected here. And you have the specifications where you select different types of documents which you want to see. Currently I don't have other documents like requirements or documents. I have some document which is just a text file, which I will soon show you how you can make the check-in and check-out. So these are the options which is available, and checked out work is the section where you will see any file which is checked out. So these are the three options which you have in this dashboard. So here I'll show you how you can check out a file, edit it, and check in. So here you see, as I showed you from the previous thing, I have two text files. So simple concept is I'll just check out one file, edit it, and check it in, and show you how it works. So here, for example, let's say I take the ECAD file. So this is the normal view. Once you click the ECAD file, I have shown you already, I have edited some parts. So here I'll show you, I'll just right click on that file and say checkout. And then now you see this new icon has come up, and this file has popped up in this checked out section, meaning that it is checked out. So the last version we have is 8.4. So now if we want to edit that file, so what we do is basically right click and open in. We don't have, if you have a CAD document, then you can open in Create View, edit that, and check it in. Since we have only an text file, I will say I will edit it in normal view. So here you see you can upload this file once you edit it. So when I click say browse, so I have this test file, and I open this test file, and in a notepad I will say I will change this, and I will just save it. So once I save it, I can basically upload this file. As you see here, I browse and I say select, and it's asking me if I want to replace the previous file, and I say yes, and I'm writing new changes, and then I'm say going to next, and then I'm save. So now I have not checked in, but I've just made the changes. So now I say right click and check in, and I say new changes, and you can select the option keep checked out after check-in or enabled, depending on what your requirement is. You have to select the file you have changed, and then you check in. So now you see that the version has changed to A.5, which is the next version, and it has come out from the checked out version into this. And when I click this file, you will see here the different versions which I have created, and the last version here. So you can select these two options and click this compare information and select the attributes which you want to compare, and then it will show you the comparison between these two versions, this version and that version, and what you have changed. Like for example, the checked in comments, or whatever the attributes. For example, these attributes are changed, and this is the diff view which you can use. And for the whole version management, you can see the whole timeline, how the file has been changed. there's a view called timeline view, but I don't see anything here. But anyway, since I think once you have a lot of changes, you'll be able to see. And then you have the version history, which is what you see now. And to explain the tabs here, so this is the detail, that is the details about the file, name of the file, status, primary content, modified by, and description in the file format, and created on, created by, modified by. And you have the structure of this file, which is basically, if you have a CAD document, it will be look similar, but since I have just taken a text file, you'll see it here, showing the attributes and the uses, and different options which you can do on this file. And the content is, this is the view, so you have the primary content and the attachments, and you can click here to download that file where you see the contents here, and the related objects where you can link different objects, and the history which you have seen now. So this is the process of basically checking in and checking out a simple file in Windchill. I will add more different types of files in the later section. So I hope you have understood how you can check in and check out a simple Windchill file.